I'm back here with another video. I'm kind of in a different setting, you know, I'm sitting in bed. So today we are gonna use, so today I'm doing a review on the Shea Moisture line that I picked up at Ulta Beauty. And I'm gonna be doing my hair. You see my hair is like a mess. Who cares? Whatever. But yeah, I'm going to be washing my hair today, doing a full review on this. I am trying to go back to my natural roots and start, you know, getting my hair done as like more natural and curly, because my hair is naturally thick and curly, but it's like the wavy curly type thing. But I don't know, I'm just starting this, so I'm going to review this. These products are sulfate, paraben, silicone free, all that. So these are all good for natural curly hair cycle. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I just grabbed my Shea Moisture shampoo and it smells so good, y'all. And I am just like untwisting it and like peeling the tab off. And I am going to pour the Shea Moisture shampoo into my water bottle. I don't know if you can see that it says no sulfates, no parabens, all that crap. So I'm going to be pouring. Okay, so now I grab my water bottle and I'm going to pour a little bit of my shampoo in my water bottle, just to make it a little bit easier for me to get my hair detangled and get a nice slip, and make sure that I get a whole bunch of shampoo and stuff nice into my scalp and stuff and all that. I just like to make sure that I can detangle my hair before I actually detangle my hair, you guys. Okay, so now that we got the water in the bottle and stuff, and the shampoo in the bottle and stuff, we're gonna shake the bottle up really, really good. And I'm gonna mean really, really good. I mean, like, it starts to foam up and it won't like shake anymore. That's how good I'm shaking the bottle. And I'm just making sure that it's all conjugulated in the bottle and stuff. You know, making sure that all the product is getting into the bottling and that. So yeah. So now I'm going to start doing my hair. I take my hair out and yeah, make sure that I do this, and I'm gonna time lapse this so that it won't take so long. Okay, so with this part I was struggling with. You see my hair is really tangled and nappy. I haven't done my hair in like a couple months because I don't like doing my hair at all. It's too time wasting and stuff. So as you can see, I sped this up. It's just showing you that how detangled my hair was, and I cannot detangle my hair at all. And yeah, I just spritz my hair with this little concoction and spread my hair and stuff and section my hair. Okay, so now I've sectioned my hair off to this little tiny piece, and I have sprayed it with water, the water concoction with the shampoo. And now I am just combing out the tangles, starting slowly at the bottom and going up to the top. And I'll be doing this for like these 20-30 minutes for like the first half of my hair, because it takes so long to detangle. But yeah, it was coming out easily. I love doing this, and it's just so nice and easy just to like do it all. And yeah, I really liked it, and it was like so easy to detangle and stuff. I never had this kind of quick detangle before, and then I just braid my hair up so that it wouldn't be in the way when I do my other parts and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you put your hair up to where you can like have a separation from the pieces you did detangle and the pieces you didn't detangle yet. So I advise people to do that as well. So you guys, I just finished detangling, de-dreading actually, because I'm not sure. And I just finished detangling it. I started on this side first to see how this side is dry. And then, well, I started on the back first. And then I did the side. And this is like, it's still wet. I'm gonna re-wet it, and then I'm gonna wash my hair with the Shea Moisture shampoo. Then I'm gonna do the conditioner. Let's see how this turns out. It actually feels really good that I put the shampoo with my water and sprayed it so that I can detangle my hair instead of pre-pooling. Actually feels a lot. So now I'm going to wash my hair and I'll see you guys later. Actually, I forgot to say something. This is how much hair I actually lost. Look how big the hair ball is on this. This is all my new old hair, all that. That's a lot. That's basically a week. Let me make a week out of this. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so basically I just got the shower and my hair is completely wet, like soaking wet. Showing you right now how wet it is and stuff. So I just like go through the back and see how wet it is and stuff. It's really curly. You see how curly it is. But like I never seen my hair this way. It's like wet and dry. You know, you guys. So I'm just going to take a comb and like comb the ends out a little bit, just to make sure that it's not like really tangled and stuff, and that it's not as nappy and dry. Mind you, I am trying to get ready for my niece's birthday party, so I had to look good. So now I take this, this is really good. This little styling cream from Shea Moisture. I forgot what it's called. I'll put it up top so you can see what it looks like. I am going to put inserts in this video, just to let you know. And it was like the best thing. It's like softer than the gel that you're gonna see in the next clip, but I use this every freaking day now. Mind you, this is pre-recording, to be honest. But anyway, yeah, I use this every day now that I from this video, and I just did like a lot of glop, because I really wanted to deepen my hair and make my hair moisturize. So I just flipped my hair back and I just moisturized it more towards the back than the front, which I should have did the front, because in the front of my hair is like more loose, and then in the back it kinks up and gets in that like 3 to 4C hair, and it's like really bad. So I just scrunch up and like make sure that my hair stays nice and scrunched. Then I take a little bit more of the styling cream and I scrunch some more into my hair. Basically just keep on scrunching until like it's done. Okay, so now I am throwing my hair in my new microfiber towel. It's like a turban kind of microfiber towel, which is really soft, and I love using it when I wash my hair because it's really soft and it doesn't damage my hair. So I just wrap my hair in this little turban thing and let my hair dry for about 30 minutes. So I'm basically plopping for about 30 minutes, and then yeah, I just let my hair plop in the towel, and yeah, so that's what I do. Hey guys, this is what my hair looks like after plopping for like a couple minutes. It looks a little bit fluffier, a little more stylish, not frizzy or anything. This looks straight in the middle. That'll get fixed once I start getting back into curly hair. It looks great, so I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna style it with this baby right here. I'm gonna style it with this styling gel. It's gonna take open it. Oh, this smells so good. Take this little styling gel. It's like really jelly. I'm going to take a little bit. Just a little bit of this. Okay, you guys, I did not film an outro because I was supposed to come back and tell you how I feel about the product. But I'm going to record my voice and tell you how I feel about the product. So, how do I feel about the product overall? I love the product. It was very good. Shea Moisture is a very good company. I hope to work with them very soon. I bought more Shea products. You will see in a new video coming soon. I know I've been slacking on the videos, you guys, but it's cool, you know. You can blame me for that. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what videos should I do, because I have a lot of videos in mind and I really want a lot of people's input. So just leave a like, subscribe, and when you do subscribe, hit that bell button, because you know you need to get all my notifications about all the latest posts I post. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.